Welcome to The English Teacher. I'm David. In this lesson we are going to practice the short vowel sounds, and more in particular the consonant blends. We're going to look at words that have two initial or two ending consonants. Let's take a look. C and R are consonant blends. So how do we say this? Well, if we look at a word where there is a C and an R, we say the last part first because that's actually a word with 3 letters and we know how to say that. Okay? If you don't know how to say that, look in a previous video where I talk about the short vowel sounds. Those are only 3-letter words. Okay? So we know there is one vowel in the word and that the word ends with a consonant. Therefore, we know also that this is a short vowel sound. So we need to say this A like the A in apple. Alright, okay? If you don't remember that, again, watch the previous video. So we are going to try to say the first part, okay, and that's an R, an A and a B. So the R we say like R, R, R. And then with the A we're going to say Ra, 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 and then with the B we're going to say Rab, Rab. Okay? Now that we have the first 3 letters, we're going to add the C, and the C sounds like a K in this case. So we are going to say K, K, Rab, K, Rab, Crab, Crab. Okay? It is perfectly fine to say Crab. Okay, that's perfect English. That's very slowly read, but you can also say it faster. You can read it faster if you wish, and that's also perfect English. So we say crab, crab. So either you say crab or you say crab. If you can't do the last one, crab, if you can't say it so fast, that's okay. Try to say it slowly first. Make sure you can say it slowly first, and then you can evolve to saying it faster. Okay? And make sure you say this with the B, because if you say it with a P, it means something else. Something that you don't want to say, actually. Okay? Alright, let's move on. CL. So we're going to say L-O-T first. That is O like in hot. Yeah? So we're going to say lot, lot, lot. And with the C, which sounds like a K, we're going to say clot, clot. Okay? The next one, SP. SP, we're going to take the last 3 letters, and we're going to say it, because that's the I like in sit. Okay? Pit. So we say pit, and then with the S, we're going to say spit, spit, spit. Okay? Next one, DR. First part, the last part, R-U-M. So we're going to say the U like in cup, cup, ra, rum, rum. Okay? And then d, drum, 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 drum. Yeah? Next one is W-U-M. And we're going to say wa, wum. Like the U in cup, wum. And then add an S in front of it. Swum, swum, swum. Next, we have GR, and we're going to say that last part first. In, rin, rin, and then add the G, grin, grin, grin. Okay? We move on to the ST. ST usually sounds together. So usually we say that like st, st. Okay? So then we have the O like in hot, o, stop, stop, stop. Okay? Next one, ST as well, but then with an E like in the word pen, stem, stem, stop, and stem. FL. For FL, we are going to say the last part first. So we're going to say the A like in apple, la, lat, flat, and we're going to add an F in front of it. So we're going to say flat, flat, flat. And it's okay if you read it very slowly to say flat, alright? If you want to say it faster, and if you can say it faster, then you can try flat, flat. But try first if you can say it slowly, alright? The next one is a favorite of mine. It is flip, flop, flip, flop. It's a difficult one maybe. Flip, flop, flip, flop, flip, flop. Okay? The next one is SL. So we're going to say the last part first. So we're going to say lot, lot. We saw it here as well. Lot, lot. And then with an S, it is slot, slot. Okay? Slot. The next one is LAP. The last part, LAP. Like in apple. La, lap, lap, slap, slap. And you can say slap, 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 slowly, slap, slap. Got it? Okay. TR. TR, last part is ra, ra, ram. Like an apple. To ram, to ram, to ram, to ram. The next one is PRAM, ram again. So here we have ram, param, param, pram. So we got tram and pram. Yeah? Next one is FR. The last part is RET, like in pen, ret, ret, ferret, ferret, fret, fret. Okay? The next one is ROM, which is often mistaken for FOR, this word here. So watch out. ROM first. Rom, rom. And then with an F in front of it, we say from. Okay? From, and not for. This is not for, okay? It is from. Actually, English is usually rather easy to read, okay? So if this would be for, then it would be FOR, and that's totally not true. It is FROM, okay? From. Say it slowly and you'll be correct. Next, SC. The C sounds like a K in this case. I'll explain that in another video, why that is. But we're going to read CUM first. So we're going to read the U like in cup, okay? And this is ka. It's not cup, but it is come, come, come. Alright? And then with the S in front of it, it is scum, scum. It sounds like an SK. Scum, scum. Okay? Good. Now we're going to move on to final consonant blends. And final consonant blends, we've got FT, so words ending in FT, for example, LIFT. So there is only one vowel in the word. The word ends in a consonant. That means it's a short vowel sound, okay, like in the word sit. Alright, so we take the I, and then we say li, and we add an F. Lif, 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 and then a T. Lift. So it's a short sound, okay? Not a long sound, it's a short sound. Lift. Next one is SOFT. So again we have FT here, but this is the O like in hot. So we're going to say O, so, soft, soft. Alright. The next one is the ending SK. So SK sounds like sk. Okay. But again, we can split it up. The first three letters are here HU and S. U like in cup. Okay. So we're going to say ha, hus, and then add the K. Husk. Good. The next one is SK as well, but we're going to take the first three letters again, and the E sounds like the E in pen. Okay, pen. So we're gonna say d, a, da, da, des, des, k, des, k. All right, desk. The next one is st. So when you see st, you can say st, or you can split it up in three, in two parts, like in mus, must, must, must. Make sure you say this T though. This is very important. Many people in Hong Kong, they say must, but that's wrong. You have to pronounce the T. It is there, it has a sound, so please do pronounce it, okay? The next one is C-O-S-T. Here we can say o, ko, kos, kost, kost. Pronounce the T, all right? Don't forget that. Very important. Soft, lift, must, cost. The more you pronounce the last letters, the better people will understand you. And that is actually why we learn English, so that people can understand us. Yeah? Next, LK. I, and then the I here sounds like the I in sit, right? So it is me, and then with an L, mil, mil. And the last letter is a K, milk, milk. So imagine that I'm talking to you and I would say mill. Do you like mill? I don't understand, right? Unless you would say, do you like milk, milk, milk? So please pronounce the last letters. The next one is also LK, but we take the first three letters, B-U-L-K, B-U-L, and the U sounds like the U in cup, so we say ba, bull, bull, and then add a K, bulk, bulk, all right? The next one ends in LP. So here again, the first three, this is P-U-L, U like in cup, so pulp, 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 okay? The next one is MP, MP where we have the first three letters, C-A-M, so the C sounds like a K here. I'll explain in another video why that is. And because you can actually see that, you can see it. And the A is a short vowel A like in apple, ah. So we say ca, cam, cam, camp, camp, okay? Then the next one is also ending with M and P, but here it's a U, pump, 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 okay? The next one is LT, LT, so we take the first three letters and we say bell, bell, belt, belt, belt. The next one ends with ND, and we are going to take the first three letters again. We're going to say la, a, like in apple, lan, land, 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 okay? The next one is S-E-N-D, also N-D, and here we're going to say the E like in pen, okay? Sen, sen, send, 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 okay? Now I want to talk about the next one here below, because there is only a difference between a T and a D here. So what's the difference? Well, the sound is a little bit sharper and a little bit softer at the end here for this word. So we're going to say sent, sent, which is the past tense of this word actually. And here we are going to say send, send, and sent, sent, and send, send, okay? Next one here is NT, also similar to send, but now it's with a W, so we're going to say went, 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 okay? And then we've got the last one, the very last one here for this lesson is LF, and LF we are also going to take the first three letters here, G-O-L, O like in hot, so we're going to say O, gol, gol, gull. And see how I curl my tongue? Gull, gull, gull. And then we are going to add an F. So we're going to say gull, gull. Please look at my lips and my tongue, where my tongue curls up. Gull. Okay? Try that. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope you like it. I hope you understand it. Practice though, okay? Practice makes perfect. Remember? Yeah? And stay tuned for more videos. Bye-bye.